Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11T Pro and we are going to check if this device comes with original protective case in the box. By the way, the phone comes from the European distribution. So inside we cannot find it, and here it is, with some kind of the paperwork. I'm gonna put it on the phone, and by the way, it's very flexible. As you can see, there is the cutout for power key, but just let's put it on the phone. Okay, it's easy to put it on, and that's how it looks. It covers the bottom. We got cutout for the USB connector, speakers, microphone. At the top we can find another speaker, microphone. Here we got volume buttons and power key with a fingerprint sensor. Right here we got the bumper. It protects our camera set. It comes a little bit above this sensor, camera sensor. So when you put it on the flat surface like that, you cannot scratch it. And the same when you take a look on the front screen. It also goes a little bit above the screen. So that's nice. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.